Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here. First of all, this is probably the most prettiest packaging on anything that I've ever actually reviewed in my life. This is absolutely beautiful. Super great gift idea. That's what the outside looks like. Let me go ahead and show you inside. This is pretty awesome. I already took a sneak peek. Okay, so when you open it up like this, you're gonna have all your nail stuff right there. Look how pretty. Everything's labeled. Just super nice packaging. And then it has this little area right here that you can take out. It's like a drawer. It has this right here, which is like a little gift tag. So this is a little user manual on how to apply them. Comes with a little card, some beautiful stickers. This little card right here. So this is like a mat that you can put down so that you, like when you're doing your nails, you don't get powder everywhere, and you can just like scoop it back into the container, stuff that flies off. It comes with a brush. It comes with this right here, a little buffer, and then a nail file right there. Super, super pretty. But let's go ahead and see how it actually does on your nails. I'm going to be applying some false nails, and then I'm going to be dipping my nails in this, but let's go ahead and see how it works. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to kind of roughen up my nail. I'm going to start out with this one and see how I like it. So you want to just make sure that you roughen up the nails so that it will stick to it. Okay, so that's step one. Now we are going to put number one, which is your base coat, on. You do not want to put too much of this stuff. So very thin layer. Just like that. Okay, now that I'm done with that side, this side should be dried. So let me go ahead and apply this one. And I'm going to go with the pink glitter to start out with. So I'm going to get it ready. And this is number 04. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Okay, so now you want to apply a very thin layer of this. Less is more. So just like that. Go ahead and seal her up. Then I'm going to dip it. Just like that. Make sure you shake it off. You want to make sure that you do not get any of this around the edges. Try to clean it off the best you can. Now we're going to do another thin layer. Then we're going to dip it again. I am loving that. So I applied it twice, but I want to add a little bit more, so I'm going to go in one more time with this. Okay, now we're just going to dust it off. Just like that. Then we're going to set it with this, which is the next step. Allow that to dry. And so I don't even have to file this down. It didn't get all clumpy or anything like some brands do. So now I'm just going to go in with the final And then I'm just going to put a thin layer of this. Okay, so this is in order. So I did this nail, and this nail. You can see. And it's this, this, and this. So this one's this one, this one's this one, and this one. So I really like the gold one the most. Like, you can see that one the most. It's really pretty. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.